Did you accidentally delete a TikTok video from your profile and you started to panic? Don't worry. I'll show you the steps on how you can recover that video which you've deleted and get it back on your profile. So follow the steps in the video. Before we start, a quick little disclaimer. This only works for videos deleted within the last 30 days. After 30 days, your deleted TikTok videos are permanently removed from TikTok's servers and cannot be recovered. So if you've recently deleted a video, act fast. I'll start by opening my app and going to my TikTok profile. As an example for this video, let's say I've deleted this cool little video from Rome by accident, and I need to recover it and get it back. What you need to do is to tap these 3 horizontal lines located at the top right corner of your screen, then Settings and Privacy. From here, we'll scroll a little bit down until you see this Activity Center button, and this is where the option which we're looking for is located. You'll tap on this recently deleted section here, which is going to show us all of the TikTok videos which we had deleted from our profile in the past 30 days. You'll be able to recover and get back all of these videos. I will tap on the Restore button, then Restore this post. This video will now be restored or recovered on my TikTok profile, and you can find it back where it originally was. Just remember, you have 30 days to recover any deleted video before it's gone forever. So make sure you act quickly if you've deleted something important. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. See you in the next one.